in the heart of Italy's Emilia-Romagna region, where engineering meets tradition. Innovation takes shape every day. Welcome to Emerson's Bologna facility, home to one of the most trusted names in gas pressure regulation, Tartarini. For decades, our Bologna facility has delivered precision-engineered solutions for natural gas systems across the globe. Here, craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. Every component is assembled with care, every detail designed for performance, safety, and reliability. From skilled technicians to advanced quality control, each step ensures products meet the highest global standards. Complex gas systems, expertly engineered, built to perform in the world's most demanding environments. From distribution networks to industrial applications, every unit undergoes rigorous testing, because when it comes to energy, there's no room for compromise. Rooted in Italian engineering excellence, connected to a global network of innovation, Emerson isn't just building Tartarini products. It's powering communities, enabling industries, and supporting the energy transition. Precision, reliability, engineered for what's next.